Hi there, today we will learn how to create this effect in Adobe Photoshop step by step. So without any further ado, let's jump into the Photoshop. Create a new file of the required size. I am using a file of size 2000 by 2000 pixels. By default, there will be a black and white colors. Click on the black color in the foreground and select the color of your choice from here. And hit OK. To fill the color in the background, press Alt plus backspace on the keyboard. Now, I am bringing the $sign to the artboard. You bring the shape of your choice. Then, use the text tool to write necessary text. And enlarge the text as needed. Hold Shift to select the shape layer also. Now, right click on the layer and select Convert to a Smart Object. I will set the fill of the layer to 0 and make another copy of the layer. Double click on the right side of the layer above. Check Bevel and Emboss and enter the exact values on the screen. Then check Inner Shadow. Click on the color box and choose a darker color. Dark color is what shows up in the shadows of the effect. Then enter the values for the remaining option as they appear on the screen. Then check the drop shadow and select white colors in the color box because it shows the highlight of the effect. Enter the values for the remaining option as they appear on the screen and hit OK. Select the second layer and double click on the right side of the second layer. Here, check Bevel and Emboss and set the size value to 1 and soften value to 0. Keep the rest of the option the same. Then check the inner shadow and select a dark color in the color box and set the opacity to 22, distance value to 21, chalk value to 0 and size value to 15. Then check the gradient overlays. Set the opacity value to 30 and select multiply in the blend mode. Set the scale value to 124 and click OK. Our effect is ready. Since we made the layer a smart object, we can replace the text or symbol with another symbol if we want. By double click on the smart object thumbnail, we can go to the original layers. From here, we can change the text or symbol. Press Ctrl+S to save and it will be updated in Final Effects. You can make the design more beautiful by using a gradient in the background. For this, you need to unlock the background first. Then, if you open the Photoshop gradient panel, you will see some default gradient groups. From this group, I am applying the first gradient of the basic group. Look how great the design looks now. Save the file for use later. So that's it for today. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.